Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send text message without showing your number. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. There's plenty of ways to text people without showing your number. There's multiple different apps out there or different websites you can use. I'm going to walk you through my favorite, which I use all the time. It's the Text Vault app. It's free and so easy to use. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, if you just go to your app store and you type in Text Vault, it should come up like this. It should be the first one. All you have to do is download the app and then sign in. What you need is a Gmail account. If you don't already have one, you could just make one up by going to gmail.com and signing up. It doesn't even have to be a real Gmail account if you don't want to. And once you do that, you can get into the app, and it basically just asks for your basic information. But once you're in there and you are accessing the app, it acts as a text message platform or a call platform where nobody can track or find out who is calling you. It set you up with your own personal phone number. So mine is connected to my app, which is connected to my Google account, so I can text people as I wish without them knowing who is actually texting them. And it saves the same number. So you can use this with random people if you don't want them to just know your exact number, but you want to be able to communicate with them with a normal text chain, or you can just do it for one-off text messages if you just need to text somebody randomly, but you just don't want them to have your number. So that's basically how you can send text message without showing your number. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.